Hello everyone. The purpose of today's video is to show you how to access your graded items and make sure that you can see what your grades are on them, and then how to make sure you submit your assignments correctly. So I'm in as a fake student right now, and that's why you see this giant orange bar at the top, so just kind of ignore that. So I am in a Blackboard sandbox course, so you would do this as by logging into my course. And then there should be an option in here to check your grade. You won't have as much stuff on yours because I've turned a lot of them off that you guys don't need, but check my grade. Oh, look, it appears that I have assignment that's been graded and there's comments on it. Now, there's two ways you can actually see the assignment grades. The easiest way is to click on this bubble to view the feedback. The other thing you can do is not letting me do this. Ah, there we go. I don't know if you could tell from the video, but I clicked on the assignment heading where it was blue and said assignment number 1, and it brings me into the assignment instructions. Now, in this assignment, I wrote in a submission text as the student is I like math, and I'll show you how to do that when I'm writing my submission as well so that I get those comments. And then when I click on the document that I submitted, which this was just an old assignment, it's nothing interesting. You'll see some things on here as well. So there's some written comments that I drew to myself. So this is like if I write on your assignment, you'll see that. And then over here, there's a comment and it shows up as a highlight. Well, why didn't you use the tool? You know, that kind of thing. And then over here, there's some grading details like, oh no, I didn't answer any of the questions on here. They're all blank. So I didn't get very many points. And then comments will be labeled like this. So comments are just general things that I see that you might need to work on or something nice that I saw, that kind of stuff. So there we go. That's how you can review your feedback easily on different assignments. If you didn't know how to do that before, I hope this helped. Here's also how you submit assignments. So I've got a second fake assignment sitting in my weekly folders right now. There we go. So that was assignment number 1 we were just looking at that, you know, we had our grades on and it wasn't so great. So let's do better for assignment number 2. So we click on that. And notice it says the due date on there and the number of points it's worth. So if you want, you can add some comments. Hi to myself, talking to myself in a room by myself. Helps me spell it correctly. And that'll show up in the comments that was on that vertical bar on the side. But if you want to write some text into a submission, you can click on this, write text, and say, hello, I am yelling like math. Getting weirder by the day. All right. And that's all well and good, but for most of your assignments, you're going to be wanting submitting documents to me with your answers on them. So to do that, you want to hit Browse My Computer. So I'm going to pretend that I want to submit written assignment number 2 and hit OK or Open. I know the open thing's weird. If you have more than one thing you need to submit, like if you're using technology like either Minitab or Excel to do your assignments, you'll also need to submit those. So it might be sitting on your computer, but it also might be in your content collection. This is if you have any online drives you want to access. Oh yeah. Actually, I don't want to get into this because these I'm not so sure are private because I'm an instructor. Let's hit cancel on that. Let's go into my cloud storage. So this is if you've stored things on your OneDrive and you want to set that up. Nope. Okay. So to access your OneDrive for Northwood, you're going to need to use OneDrive for Business because we're a business that uses OneDrive. And this will take a minute. It wants me to sign in. So I am BARRR at northwood.edu. Next. It's going to take us to our sign-in page. I already have, oh, I don't think that's the right password. That's probably my old password. Let me fix that really quick. And sign in. And I'm in. Woohoo! There's going to be a lot you see in here. Let's just grab a random, what do I want? Let's do a key to one of our assignments, the Scrabble Maker key. That'll be good. Let's select that. That might be too big. Oh, well, it went. That's good. So this is an Excel file. You can submit any type of file to Blackboard, but the difference is you won't be able to preview all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. This is taking a while because it's a big file. Perfect. This is the last thing you want to do to make sure that your submission is complete. So you want to check your submission text. Notice it says, hello, I like math. There's the comment of hi, bye, I like hi to myself. There's my PDF, which it will let me preview. Here's my Scrabble Maker key, which will also let me preview with this weird mbox thing, although that's really illegible. It's very tiny. It will not let you preview Minitab files, just so you know. And the last thing you want to check is you need to check, I'm clicking over to my email, and make sure that you have a submission received. So you've got a receipt, and it tells you what you submitted right down here with what files it was you did. Make sure those are the correct files that you made sure you wanted to actually submit to me. If they're not, email me the correct ones immediately, and that'll fix that problem. I hope this video helped you going forward with some of your Blackboard classes. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. Stay safe out there.